Welcome to Waverly Cove, built by Summerhill Homes, located in beautiful Foster City. Foster City is located in the heart of San Mateo County, home to top global companies like Gilead, Visa, and Illumina. Foster City is unique due to its development on a landfill. However, you would never be suspicious with their foundation being full of endless parks and restaurants. Foster City has some of the best scenery in all of the Bay Area. Here we are right next to a lagoon, which actually also gives you a public access to the waterway to do any sort of water sport activities. Today, we're going to take a look at a few units here in Waverly Cove. There's only 11 units left, and these are all move-in ready with some fantastic finishes. There are 3 different floor plans that are 3 bedrooms ranging from $1.737 million to $1.888 million. All are 3 stories tall, ranging between 2249 square foot to 2475 square foot. What I love about this community itself is the beautiful walkways next to the waterways and the sheer amount of deck space for each of the units and for each of the floors. Let's go take a look inside. We are here at one of the 3 floor plans at Waverly Cove. Behind me, you'll see the access to the garage, which is a 2-car side-by-side garage. They have a tankless water heater built in all of these communities. On the right-hand side, you'll have a full bed and bath on the bottom level. This is great for in-laws, great for potentially renters, and you'll see a huge, massive closet. So that's the bottom level. Let's go take a look upstairs where we'll see a large open space of the kitchen and the family room. We're here on the 2nd floor. As you can see, it's a very large, beautiful, open floor plan layout. If you take a look at the flooring, they use hardwood engineered flooring. And then if you take a look at the sides, you'll have a half bath in the back. You also have 3 actual decks, patio decks, for you to be able to enjoy the beautiful and wonderful Foster City fresh air. So you just saw the 2nd floor. Let's take a look at the last and 3rd floor, which is where the master bedroom lies. Let's take a look. We are here on the 3rd floor. The washer and dryer is at this floor, and there's 2 bedrooms upstairs. Each of the bedrooms has their own walk-in closet and their own private bath. Take a look around. We are here at floor plan number 3 to take a look at what is the difference between this particular layout and the other one. This one actually will have less deck space. However, you're going to absolutely love the very top floor, which has a rooftop deck. Let's take a look at what's here on the bottom floor. You'll see it's a very similar layout to the one we just saw. It has a bed and bath setup along with a full walk-in closet on this bottom floor. Another thing that's different on this floor is that there is no seating area that you saw in the previous one, but there is a closet just like the other one. Behind that door is a 2-car garage, similar layout, side by side. Let's go take a look upstairs. We are here on the second floor. The finishes are all fantastic because all of these are move-in ready. They all have tremendous amount of upgrades. Last I heard was about $70,000 worth of upgrades. Now the layout, as you can see, is very different. This one's a little bit more, it's a little bit wider and is also not as long. However, this particular unit will have a bedroom on the second floor. So this one will have a bedroom on the bottom floor, the second floor, and the third floor, while the one that we saw last time had 2 bedrooms on the top floor. So take a look around. You can take a look at the bedrooms on this side here. Second floor, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the third floor, which is the final floor, and you're going to see the most amazing rooftop deck. We are here at the rooftop deck. There is very few places in all of the Bay Area to be able to have your own private deck. You can have your own patio, your furniture out here, and you can enjoy the beautiful view of Foster City. We are here at the top level. You just saw the beautiful rooftop deck up here. There is only one bedroom, and it's a master bedroom with a huge walk-in closet, much larger than the last one, which you'll greatly appreciate. Come take a look around. Joining me on this tour of the beautiful Waverly Cove here in Foster City. There's a lot of development happening over the years, and they actually had bought another space right next to it. However, those townhomes are significantly smaller. Those are going to be about 1,200 to about 2,100 square foot. There'll be about 70 of them. There'll be some time before that gets built, but there's plenty of retail space, parks, and all over in this wonderful community. If you have any questions about any homes, whether it's Waverly Cove, any new construction, or any existing homes, I would love to help you along with that journey and give you some of my insight.